the United States Embassy in New Delhi was fully aware of all of these facts, that there might have been some representation, presentation of facts. It is very clear that there was a great deal of complicity on their part as well. And after that, to be sanctimonious, to actually take, in most cases what happens if you've been caught as an illegal immigrant or whatever the case may be, you send that person back to India. Here what are you doing? You are actually spiriting her husband and her family away to the United States. There are legal cases against these people in India.
Right.
What are you? You're basically thumbing your nose at the Indian legal system. How dare you? Who do you think you are? So, I mean, you have initiated this absolutely disgraceful set of procedures. If you do not apologize, shove it. Your diplomats should face what normal people face. It's as simple as that. If we should have been reciprocal much earlier, we haven't been, now we will be. And I think as we speak, the American ambassador has gone running to South Block to try and sort things out.
That's right. But would you agree with what she just said? That is, maybe the way the US is dealing with this issue, perhaps this is the best way to handle the US too, what the Indian administration is doing, and we should be more adamant about this kind of treatment that was meted out to one of our diplomats.
I think there are two issues here. One, of course, the treatment meted out to a diplomat, senior diplomat,
Right.
which is actually most reprehensible. And again, when it goes back to the statements being made, whichever is the agency involved in maltreatment, the fact still remains that we're talking to the US government,
Right.
not an individual person or an agency. So in that sense, the responsibility has to be squarely put on their shoulders. And in this case, since we did the State Department, so the State Department let them answer on behalf of the government of the United States. That's one issue. The other issue is the question of the wages.